Have you ever wondered how long a day lasts on other planets? It's intriguing to think about, isn't it? The concept of a day as we understand it is based on a planet's rotation around its own axis. But here's the catch. The length of a day can vary greatly from planet to planet, and it's not always 24 hours like we're used to here on Earth. Intrigued? Great. So let's dive into the day lengths of each planet in our solar system. Starting closest to the Sun, we have Mercury and Venus. The concept of a day on these planets is quite different from what we're used to here on Earth. On Mercury one day, that's the time it takes to spin once on its axis, lasts about 59 Earth days. Now that's a long workday. Then we have Venus, our cosmic neighbor shrouded in thick swirling clouds. A day there lasts an astounding 243 Earth days. But Venus adds a twist to the plot. Unlike most planets which spin on their axes in an anti-clockwise direction, Venus spins the other way around. It has a retrograde rotation, spinning clockwise. Imagine that. Over 200 Earth days of continual daylight or nightfall, depending on where you stand, and the sun rising in the west. Fascinating, isn't it? Now let's move on to the planet we know best, Earth. On Earth, a day is 24 hours, but what about Mars? Here, our neighboring red planet spins a slightly different tune. A Martian day, or Sol as it's often called, clocks in at approximately 24.6 Earth hours. That's a little over a half hour longer than our own planetary rotation. So if you've ever wished for a few extra minutes in your day, maybe a trip to Mars is in order. Now, let's journey to the gas giants, starting with Jupiter. The gas giants spin rapidly, resulting in shorter days. Let's start with Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Due to its speedy rotation, a day on Jupiter is over in a blink, lasting just about 9.9 hours. Imagine having to fit your entire daily routine into that time frame. Next up is Saturn, the ringed beauty of our solar system. A day there is slightly longer than Jupiter's, clocking in at about 10.7 hours. Still quite brief compared to our Earth day, isn't it? Now let's turn our attention to the tilted planet Uranus. Its unique sideways rotation results in a day that lasts about 17.2 hours. Quite the twist, wouldn't you say? Lastly, we have Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun in our solar system. A day on this icy giant lasts approximately 16.1 hours. So, as we can see, a day can mean something quite different depending on which planet you're on. In conclusion, the length of a day on any given planet is determined by how long it takes for that planet to complete a rotation around its own axis. From Mercury's long days to Jupiter's brief ones, each planet's rotation gives its unique day length. So next time you complain about the day being too short, just remember, it could be a lot shorter on Jupiter.